Welcome back to this channel. 100 English sentences using helping verbs. She is reading a book. They are going to the park. I was watching TV when you called. He has finished his homework. We have been working all day. You should study for the exam. They might come to the party. She must be tired after the long day. I can swim across the river. He could help us if he wanted to. She will call you tomorrow. We shall overcome this challenge. He would like a cup of coffee. They were playing soccer in the field. I am preparing for the meeting. She had completed her work before leaving. They do understand the problem now. He does play the piano very well. I did see him at the mall. You ought to respect your elders. She is not feeling well today. They have not decided yet. I was not aware of the situation. He will not attend the meeting. You must not touch that. She cannot lift that heavy box. They are not interested in the offer. We shall not give up. He could not find his keys. I might not go to the party. She has been learning French. They have been waiting for an hour. He is being very rude. She was being kind to everyone. We will be traveling next week. You should have called earlier. They might have missed the bus. She must have forgotten the meeting. He could have helped if he had known. I would have gone if invited. She is going to bake a cake. They are planning a surprise. He was hoping for better results. We have been discussing this issue. She had been waiting for the news. They will have completed the project by then. I can see the stars tonight. You might hear some noise outside. She should finish her assignment soon. We will not be late for the event. He is supposed to arrive soon. They are expected to perform well. She was asked to join the team. We will be meeting at noon. He cannot stay here for long. She could not understand the instructions. They might not attend the seminar. We shall return by evening. I am considering taking a break. She was thinking about the future. They are reviewing the document. He has been informed about the changes. She must follow the rules. We should listen to the advice. He can try again tomorrow. They could participate in the discussion. She is working on a new project. I have seen that movie before. You do make excellent points. He does not enjoy spicy food. They did arrive on time. We ought to consider their opinion. I was thinking about calling you. She is learning to play the guitar. They are excited about the trip. He has already left for the day. You will find the answer in the book. She might join us later. We could take the bus instead. He shall make a decision soon. They would prefer a morning meeting. I cannot decide right now. She is not coming to the party. They have not responded yet. He was not aware of the rule. We will not tolerate any delay. She must not forget her promise. You cannot park here. He could not believe his eyes. They are not available today. We shall not compromise on quality. She might not agree with the idea. He is working hard to succeed. They have been supportive throughout. She was trying her best to help. He will be taking charge tomorrow. We should not overlook the issue. You might want to reconsider the plan. She must be feeling proud of her achievements. They cannot wait to see the results. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for upcoming lectures and videos.